LongNet is a transformer model. The limitation with traditional LLMs is that they excel at understanding and generating text over short sequences but must improve when faced with longer ones. This is where LongNet helps. It's designed to tackle this problem, scaling up to handle over 1 billion tokens without a performance hit. It handles both short and long sequences equally well. This is the model for artificial general intelligence, which is the actual human like intelligence. The potential impact of this advancement is immense, and the possibilities are limitless. It could revolutionize AI systems, making them more versatile and capable of understanding and generating human like text over much, much longer sequences. Now, a new race has begun. Thanks.